Dude, of the guys, my name is Ron Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start this routine video without having the further delay. So this video is about the routine. This video is about the going to be the routine of 4th June 2024. And yesterday, as I already told you, that tomorrow will be the Lok Sabha result will be announced, and we have to know that who will become the next Prime Minister of India. And as I already predicted that in yesterday that BJP will be the next Prime Minister of India, will be the third time. Okay, but basically today is the 4th June, and today and I'm shooting this video at 11:25 in the night. Okay, so still yet result not announced. Okay, but the counting is already started. The majority of seats already is in BJP, so that's normal that BJP will win, but the result is still not announced. Okay, so yeah, so let's start this video without having any further delay. So basically today I woke up at around 9:30 around from the first floor. After that I went to the ground floor and I laid down to the bed because I feel so tired because last night I didn't went to the sleep. I used my phone. Okay, I used to watch something learning videos. Okay, and I talked at Joe Stop. Okay, and that's why I went for the sleep at a very late night, and I was unable to woke up very soon. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was happened. Wait guys, so yeah, so basically after that I may, yeah, if I tell you seriously, no, my mother filled the bucket, and I put from their bucket, and I take then I after I uh, I'm unable to make sentence. I don't know why. I put the bucket, and after that I reached to the home with bucket. Okay, so yeah, basically that thing which is I had done. After that I washed my mouth. Before going to the wash the mouth, I used my phone. Still yet with, I don't know why I use my mobile too much, and I don't know why I use my phones too much. After that I washed my mouth, and after that I had taken the bath, and after that I worshipped in a very proper manner. After that I wore the clothes at a very proper, which is required. Okay, so guys, you are noticing that my hair is very big, and it's reached to my ears. So guys, I will really cut down very soon, around 4 to 5 days around. After that I will cut my beard also. Okay, so basically, yeah, so this is the thing which is I wanted to tell you. So yeah, and and anything which is I wanted to tell you, let me think first. uh, yeah, after that I cooked food. Basically I brought soybean and potato. Okay, so and I also cooked today I cooked soybean and potato sabji and rice. Okay, so after that I ate food, and after that I went to the first floor, and I didn't done too much thing, and still today I didn't studied. Okay, so after that I went to the ground floor, and first floor to ground floor, and this is the thing which is I had done. Okay, after that I am at the first floor, and basically I told to my sister that please purchase a register for me. Okay, so as you already know that I am from the 1st June I am deciding that I will start the vocabulary, but I already started. I wrote down all the vocabulary in the rough notebook 5 daily, but after getting the perfect register, so that I can wrote down it a very perfect manner. Okay, so but she didn't brought because of the some reasons. Okay, I think she was so much tired, that's why she was unable to brought. Okay, so but fine, tomorrow will be final, I will purchase it any case. So yeah, this is the thing which was happened. And guys, today is also something happened, like as I already told you about in WhatsApp. Like they were telling me to do the task and you will earn money, and the first time they paid, and after that they told you that you need to do prepayment. First you have to pay, then you get task. So after that I saw that thing, and they first pay 180, they paid 180 rupees. After that they tried to scam, and I know that is of their scam. And yeah, basically, and after that I went to the ground floor, and after that my sister also came, and my sister treated to all us, gave a treat of ice cream. Okay, so after that I filled the cooler. Okay, so yeah, and after that I didn't do much thing. And I also ate today kheer. I don't know what we call a kheer in English. Okay, so let me write it down so that I can translate very soon. Okay, kheer. So yeah, so I wrote down so that I will translate very soon, and I will tell you very soon. Okay, so yeah, so basically after that I went to the, after eating the kheer, and after spending some time with the family, so after that I went to the first floor, and after that I talked some time in Joe's Talk app, and after that I went to the bathroom. After that I came, and after that I am shooting the video. So basically this is the all the things which happened, guys. I hope you really understand till yet. If you really understand this video, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a continuously manner without skipping the any day. So let's start today's 5 vocabulary. As you already know that from the first June I have already started I will learn daily 5 vocabulary. So I have already completed the 3 days, that means 3 June. Today is the 4th June. Okay, so now I'm gonna to tell you the 4th June's 5 vocabulary. Okay, today we have completed 20 words, and if I think that from the day 1 if I started, then till 180 days I am able to complete 900 words. But yeah, but last but not least, okay, so I'm trying to learn from here. Okay, so let's start. So today's first word is literally. So now what is the meaning of literally? Literally means such much. So let's take an example. Oh, I see. It literally happened. It is literally happened. Now don't tell me it is a joke. It is literally happened. OMG. My gosh. Okay. So if I tell you seriously, I scored 99 marks. Literally. So this is the example of literally. So the next word is behind. So basically the meaning of behind is like piche. The person who behind my success is nobody, only my parents. So basically this is the example. Let's take the another example. Who is behind you? I think nobody is behind me. There is only a curtain and a bag. Okay, so yeah, so who is the behind to the all the game, to the all the matter? So basically this is all the behind. Okay, so the next word is create. Create means, guys, banana. Who created this channel and who trying to upload videos very soon? Of course this is Amar Kumar. Okay, so yeah, so the next example of create, like don't create any drama. I listened already too much. Don't create any drama, otherwise you don't know what will I do. You can't imagine. So yeah, basically this is the example of create. Create means banana. I hope you will understand till yet. So let's go into the next word, that is knock. So basically the meaning of knock is khatkhatana. So I knocked your door, but you didn't open the door, and I know that you have fear of somewhere. Why you didn't open the door? This is not good. You are doing every day. Every day people came and you don't try. People came and trying to knock your door, but you didn't came. Who is knocking my door continuously? I'm coming. So basically this is all about the knock. So the next word is near. Near means, guys, pass. Okay, who is near you? Who is near you? Actually, when I gave my exam teacher very near to me. That's it. So yeah, guys, this is the other thing which was happened. Let's start. I started vocabulary of daily learning 5 or 10 minimum, but it is totally depended on my mood. But till 1st to 4th June, I daily learned 5 vocabulary. So we have completed 20 vocabulary. So let's revise again. Okay, all the 20 vocabulary. Okay. सो स्वीकार करना, एक्नॉलेज, बेचैनी, एंजाइटी, आत्मा, सोल, उत्सुक, ईगर, भक्त, डिवोटी, सांस, ब्रीथ, ले आओ, ब्रिंग, आरामदायक, कंफर्टेबल, आश्चर्य, 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 we can also told like that, आश्चर्य, yeah, wonder, okay. But there is also one thing, I know the, but I didn't know the that word exactly, like हैरान हो जाना, I don't know exactly. I sorry guys, I speak in English. That's just trying to tell. I'm just telling you the word. Okay. So yeah, the word is astonish. I totally astonish. The word is, it seems like हैरान हो जाना. Okay. So the next word is समझाना, explain, लिफाफा, envelope, धीरज, patience, फुसफुसाना, whisper, निश्चित रूप से, apparently, okay, जरूरी, essential, literally, सचमुच, behind, पीछे, create, बनाना, knock, खटखटाना, near pass. So yeah guys, this is the thing which was happened. So this video is the about the routine of 4th June 2024 and day 181. So let's end the video guys. Say Radhe, bye bye.